Tired of choosing between stunning image quality and portability? The DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 are both titans in the drone world, but which reigns supreme? In this deep dive, we'll pit these aerial powerhouses against each other, dissecting their cameras, flight performance, features, and most importantly, which one best suits your needs. We'll explore the Air 3S's impressive advancements in image quality and its surprisingly compact form factor, while examining the Mavic 3's cinematic prowess and advanced obstacle avoidance systems. Get ready for a no-holds-barred comparison as we help you decide which drone deserves a spot in your aerial arsenal. Design and portability. DJI Avata 2. Designed with an emphasis on durability and agility, the Avata 2 is built for high-speed action and FPV, first-person view, flying. It has propeller guards integrated into the design, making it ideal for more aggressive flights, close-quarters flying, or racing through tight spaces. However, this adds bulk and weight, making it less portable than the Mini 4 Pro. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The Mini 4 Pro excels in portability, weighing under 249 grams, which helps it stay under many regulatory thresholds for drone registration. It's incredibly compact, making it easy to carry anywhere. This lightweight design, however, makes it more susceptible to wind than the Avata 2. Camera and imaging. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 shines in FPV flying, offering immersive and dynamic video recording. Its camera is optimized for fast motion, boasting a 1/1.7-inch sensor that can record 4K footage at 60 frames per second. The wide 155-degree FOV, field of view, gives an engaging, action-packed perspective. However, its camera is better suited for videos rather than still photography. DJI Mini 4 Pro. This drone targets users who prioritize camera quality. With a larger 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K footage at up to 60 frames per second, as well as 48MP still photos. The Mini 4 Pro also features intelligent shooting modes like hyperlapse, smart photo, and enhanced HDR for both videos and images, making it a more versatile option for content creators. Flight performance and maneuverability. DJI Avata 2. The Avata 2 is designed for speed and agility. It excels in fast-paced environments and is ideal for FPV enthusiasts. It offers an impressive 20-minute flight time, considering its power. The drone's controls, combined with FPV goggles, deliver an immersive experience that is unparalleled for those looking to push the boundaries of drone flying. DJI Mini 4 Pro. While not built for FPV racing, the Mini 4 Pro offers more stable and reliable flight performance for general use. It features obstacle avoidance in all directions, making it much safer for less experienced pilots. It also boasts a longer flight time of up to 34 minutes, ideal for extended shooting sessions. Features and technology. DJI Avata 2. As an FPV drone, the Avata 2 offers excellent features for fast-action flying. Its standout feature is the DJI goggles, which provide an incredibly immersive flying experience. It also includes DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady for stable footage even during high-speed maneuvers. However, it lacks some of the advanced automation found in more general-purpose drones. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Packed with intelligent flight modes, the Mini 4 Pro offers features like Active Track 5.0, Point of Interest, and Master Shots, making it easier for users to capture dynamic shots automatically. Its obstacle sensors ensure safer flights in complex environments. It also supports quick transfer for fast and easy file sharing directly to your devices. Price and value. DJI Avata 2. Priced higher than the Mini 4 Pro, the Avata 2 is aimed at enthusiasts looking for an immersive FPV experience. The additional cost can be justified if you prioritize fast-paced, action-focused flying. DJI Mini 4 Pro. As a more affordable option, the Mini 4 Pro offers excellent value for general consumers, travelers, and content creators. Its versatility in both video and photo quality makes it a better all-around option for most users. Conclusion. DJI Avata 2 is best suited for FPV enthusiasts, offering unparalleled immersive flying experiences and speed. It's ideal for those who want a drone that delivers dynamic, high-energy videos. DJI Mini 4 Pro is the winner for general users who prioritize portability, camera quality, and intelligent flying features. It's a more well-rounded drone for casual flying, photography, and videography. So, there you have it. The DJI Air 3S and Mavic 3 both offer exceptional aerial capabilities, but with distinct strengths. The Air 3S excels in portability and image quality, while the Mavic 3 reigns supreme in cinematic footage and advanced features. Ultimately, the best drone for you depends on your priorities. We hope this comparison has provided valuable insights to help you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more drone reviews and aerial adventures. Thanks for watching.